News Bulletin breaking. I'm Shivangi Shukla getting you the latest coming in. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju has now made a statement and praised the extensive consultation process of the Waqf Amendment Bill, which has been sent to the Joint Parliamentary Committee, highlighting that over 1 crore representation has been received. Rijiju has commended the JPC for thorough hearings, noting that this level of engagement is unprecedented in the Indian parliamentary history. Big update coming in right now on Republic TV viewers, where Kiren Rijiju has praised the extensive consultation process for the Waqf Amendment Bill, which has been sent to the Joint Parliamentary Committee. Let's go ahead and play out the statement.
वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल तो आप लोग को पता है पेश किया है, अब जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी के पास गए हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि ये विंटर सेशन आते आते जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी अपना काम पूरा करे। और जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी के बारे में मुझे जो खबर मिला है बहुत ही पॉजिटिव है। 1 करोड़ से भी ज़्यादा रिप्रेजेंटेशंस ऑलरेडी जेपीसी के पास आ चुके हैं और जेपीसी बहुत ही व्यापक रूप से सबका सुनवाई कर रहे हैं। सरकारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हो या सामाजिक संगठन हो, सबसे अपने बातें कहने का मौका दे रहे हैं जेपीसी। मैं जेपीसी के अध्यक्ष और जेपीसी में जितना मेंबर्स हैं उनको बधाई देता हूं। इतना एक्सटेंसिव जेपीसी हियरिंग शायद पहले इतिहास में नहीं हुआ।
Reacting to the row, BJP's Nishikant Dubey has now expressed concern over the massive number of 1.25 crore submissions received by the Parliamentary Committee on Waqf Amendment Bill. While hailing the government move, he has questioned the source and urged committee's chairperson to ask the MHA to probe into the matter. So that's a big update coming in right now on Republic TV. I want to go across to Harsha joining us. Harsha, I want to go across to you right now because, the Parliament panel has received 1.2 crore responses and these are the top updates we're getting for our viewers. If we could take our viewers to the latest coming in on this new development.
So, Shivangi, to tell you precisely, till now, the JPC, which was formed on the Waqf Amendment Bill, the Parliamentary Committee has till now received 1.25 crore submissions, and Nishikant Dubey has raised the concerns by stating that this is worth concerning, that the motive and the sources and the question should be raised in front of the JPC, that how come so many submissions are coming in front of the JPC, and Jagdambika Pal, who's the chairman, should send it for MHA for probe. And today to Kiren Rijiju, when we asked the same question, that how come the submissions and the number of stakeholders who have given their responses are 1.25 crore. At that time, Union Minority Affairs Minister clearly stated that when the JPC report will be concluded, at that time the report will be shared with the Minority Affairs Ministry. Then we will be going into the detail of it, exactly how come so many submissions have arrived and whether they are genuine, they are not genuine, they are fake or they are true, and then we will segregate it. And it is inevitable. Such a long exercise and the extensive exercise has taken place. So we have to cross-check also that all the submissions are true, none of them are false, and therefore it can't be ignored that such extensive submissions have come out. So Kiren Rijiju has clearly stated that till the time JPC report is not in the ministry's hand, he will not take any action. But yes, he will wait for the time when the JPC report will come, and after that further cross-checking will be done. But yes, he applauded how this time, first time, the Waqf Amendment Bill for the JPC, which was formed, at that time such extensive exercise has taken place all over the country. Several questions and several argument and representation from the different state Waqf boards have taken place. Not only the presentation in the JPC, but also now there's an extensive tour also which will which will commence from 26th of September, that is tomorrow, and will go on till 1st of October. So we can clearly say that slowly and gradually the JPC Waqf Amendment Bill is reaching towards the consensus, and he's very sure that in the winter session of the Parliament, in the end of the first week, the report will be submitted in the Parliament, therefore ready to get a applaud from the Lok Sabha. Back to you.
All right, thank you for joining us there, Harsha, with all those details. I'll be coming back to you as we keep tracking this big story coming in. Parliamentary panel has received 1.2 crore responses. Let's move ahead right now to the other story we're tracking. We move ahead to Gujarat, where 7 people have lost their lives and 1 was critically injured when a speeding car collided with a trailer truck near Himmatnagar in Gujarat. Now, this happened today morning. Listen into this report to understand